everybody! Welcome to Yaya's Kitchen. Today we're gonna play with the wooden pizza playset, where we learn how to make a pizza. Yaya the Cat is going to help us all along the way, so we can make a delicious, yummy pizza. Are you ready to get started? Here we go! Let's start with our ingredients. We have our dough, our pepperoni. Can you tell me what color the pepperoni is? That's right, it's red. Then we have our mushrooms.
Yeah!
Yummy mushrooms. And we can't forget our veggies. We have onions and olives and green peppers. How yummy. And then we have a few tools to help us make our pizza. We have our pizza plate, where we'll bake our pizza. We have our pizza slicer. And we have our spatula. All right. Yaya, what kind of pizza do you want to make? That sounds yummy. I'd love to make a veggie pizza. Here we go. Can you tell me what we should start with first? Is it maybe the veggies? That's not right. How about we start with the dough? Great job. Here we go. There's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 1 more. 6. Great job. We've started with the base of our pizza. Now we have to add ingredients on top. What kind of toppings would you like, Yaya? Mushrooms sound delicious. Let's get started with putting mushrooms on our pizza. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those look delicious. But I still feel like it's missing some other veggies. What can we add? That's right, let's add some onions, olives, and green peppers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now that's a yummy veggie pizza. What's that, Yaya? You want to add some pepperoni? No problem. Let's make some room for pepperoni. Can you point where the pepperoni's at? That's right, it's right here. Let's add them to our pizza. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that looks like a complete pizza. Now we have to put it in our oven so it can bake. We'll be right back. All right, we baked our pizza in the oven. Now, I'm pretty hungry, and I think Yaya is too. Let's cut the pizza and eat it. I'll use our wooden pizza cutter to cut a slice. we cut it in half. And then we'll cut one little piece here. And grab our spatula. Look at that slice of pizza. Isn't it yummy? I think Yaya wants another one. Here we go. This slice only has veggies. So if you like veggie pizza, this is the perfect slice for you. I love veggie pizza. So I'll have this one. What's that, Yaya? You want them to have a slice of pizza? Oh, that's so nice. Let's cut this pizza. This one is just for you. That's right, you helped us make our pizza today, and we want you to eat it with us. Here you go. Well, that wraps up our pizza party, everybody. Thank you so much for helping us make this delicious pizza. We hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. See you next time. Did you know you can leave me a comment? Leave me one below and tell me what you think. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.